Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the JBL Charge Essential Bluetooth speaker. This Bluetooth speaker gets IPX7 water resistance and offers battery life for up to 20 hours. But the biggest highlight about the speaker is that it also acts as your power bank, so you can charge your smartphone using the speaker as well. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Charge Essential from JBL. So this here is the Charge Essential speaker and the box for the speaker over here with us from JBL. We've got this darkish grey variant of the speaker, so we'll check out the features and what's inside the box. But before that, we'll also talk you through some of the features that's highlighted on the box. Now you have the speaker, it's quite big in size, so that means that it packs a bigger battery, which means that you get up to 20 hours of playtime. So you can actually use this on a single charge for up to 20 hours, and it gets IPX7 water resistance. So this is something that is part of most of JBL's product catalog in terms of Bluetooth speakers these days, and IPX7 means that you get water resistance, which is ideal for not only water splashes, but it can handle quick submerge as well. So you can carry it for your pool parties, outdoor trips, and use it indoors definitely. But those are the bigger highlight features, and just in case even if water drops, there's going to be no damage, so that's something which is taken care of. But we feel that the biggest highlight about this power bank kind of speaker is that it also is a power bank, because yeah, you did not hear it wrong. This is a speaker which also supports power bank like features, and because it's got a bigger battery, it can also let you charge your smartphone. So it's got this USB port, and you can just plug in a regular USB cable to it, and you can charge your phone just like you do with a normal power bank. Now let's open the box and see what all JBL is offering with the Charge Essential. It's a huge box, but let's be assured that this is a speaker which probably is going to excite you with its feature set. Now this is some of the essentials that the Essential comes with. That was a clear wordplay from our end. Then you have this speaker over here. As I mentioned, this is quite bigger in size compared to most of the speakers that JBL offers, and Charge Essential, because it's got a bigger battery, that means that you get something which is much bigger than the regular sizes. Now when we open this case, what you get is a lot of things in terms of paperwork that you usually get, and also the cable. So you have this cable that comes along, it's orange in color, and this is a micro USB cable that comes along for charging, so you can charge it using that. Then you also have a slew of other things that JBL has packed inside this thing, which includes the quick startup guide, and also giving you a quick roundup of the safety measures that you need to follow. So this is all the booklet stuff that you get in terms of the paperwork. And if you're really not sure about how to use this speaker, what you just need to do is you just need to read through the quick startup guide, and it will tell you how to pair the speaker with your phone, and how to use it, and how to use the power bank feature of the speaker as well. So those things are covered here, and that is what primarily you get with the booklet that comes along. You also have the warranty card. So let's say if you have some issues with the speaker, and those things are covered within the warranty period, you can carry it along with you to the nearest JBL center and get those things done with any kind of benefits that you get. So this is the speaker primarily. It's cylindrical in shape, as you can see, and it's got these drivers on the side, and it's got this charge port which offers you all the ports. This is the USB port that acts as the power bank feature. This is the micro USB port that lets you charge this speaker, and then you have the 3.5mm connector. So just in case the Bluetooth is running out and you're really low on battery, you can just connect this through a 3.5mm connector and convert it into a wide speaker that works with desktop and phones. So this is all primarily what you get inside the box with the Charge Essential from JBL. So as you can see, there's not a lot of stuff inside the box. You're primarily getting the quick startup guide, the safety guide, and the warranty card, which comes neatly wrapped inside this packet. Then you have the micro USB cable that is used for charging. It's orange in color, also neatly wrapped inside this packet. And then you have the speaker that's neatly caged inside this box, and you have this neatly wrapped package all in all that basically makes sure that Charge Essential speaker is absolutely safe when it's traveling or reaching you very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.